Hi, Mahima. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Tera ta important birthday, and so we thought that Pooja and I thought that we should do something special for you because you've been such a special friend. Yeah.
You have been our friend since childhood. Preeti ki to ekdam chaddi buddy, and you are my first friend from the day I entered the school. So yeah.
So we thought, what should we do? You know, एक simple video तो तेरी जो energy और fun है उसको capture कर सकता नहीं है. So we thought, why not play a game, make it a little fun, and challenge ourselves, actually, me and Pooja, to answer 4 questions about you. And if we are not able to get it right, we thought of adding another fun twist to it, which Pooja is going to tell you. What are we going to do if we don't get it right?
So whoever is not able to answer, they have to take shots.
Woohoo! So 4 questions. The idea is to not get 4 shots and not get drunk because, believe it or not, मेरा work day है और पूजा भी professor है, कल उसे lecture देना पड़ेगा.
But Mahima, there is one more catch to it. That if you are not able to guess the right answer, you too have to take some shots yourself.
Exactly.
And of course, it's your birthday, so you can do that. It's allowed for today, even if it's
absolutely. I think that's a fair idea. So let's get going. All right, you ready for it?
Shoot.
Yes, I am going to bring the questions up and we're going to get rolling. All righty. All right, so Mahima, once again, reminder, your big 4 and 4, 4 questions, 4 shots. That's what we're going for. Here you go.
Hey bartender, 4 shots please.
This is us getting ready to answer the questions and to take some shots.
पीने वालों को पीने का बहाना चाहिए.
I don't think so. I think this is wrong. We're not looking for an excuse to drink because I am 100% sure that I'll be able to guess every damn thing about you. What do you think, Pooja?
Absolutely.
All right. Here's a challenge. So first question. Pooja, get ready. So one thing that most people don't know about Mahima, which you and I should know, obviously, because we know her so well, right? So,
okay.
Damn, I know.
You do?
I think I know.
Okay, you go first.
I think she's seen Sholay, I guess, like 100 times. I don't know, 50, 75, 100, whatever times. Let me look for that answer. Is that correct?
She has seen it many times, but I'm not sure.
We got one right, Pooja. What is it? What is it? What
Wonderful.
else?
Okay. And I think most people are fooled by her, cute looks and everything, but I think she's a wild party girl.
Ooh, let's see if that's on the board. Woohoo! We are rocking it.
Oh,
all right.
Wonderful.
What else?
But that's still not the top answer. Take another guess, Preeti. What do you think?
I do know, based on her latest Facebook post, that she's very much into her kitty gang, girl gang. I think so. That नहीं. No. सोच यार मैं भूल गई. क्या हो सकता है?
Okay. I think she has some really hot childhood friends.
Oh man, that's the top answer. I got it.
Yeah.
हमें देखो.
Of course. And हाथ कंगन को आरसी क्या? There is a proof right in front of you.
Woohoo! Got it right. We're still missing the first top answer. What can it be? I think this has to be the top answer, yaar.
Yeah.
We are the
Nothing can beat this. This has to be the number 1. But let's check it out still. Let's see.
So we can't guess it. So let's just see. बहुत लंबी फेंकती है. Oh, that is so true. Mahima, बचपन से ही.
Crazy. It was truly crazy.
काले कौवे से डरियो मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी तुम देख मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी तुम देखते रहियो
What that means? It means that you and I are up for a shot. All right, here goes. First shot, we couldn't guess that.
For Mahima.
Happy birthday, Mahima. We should know कि तू ecology में number 1 है. All right, let's go. This time I'm ready. This thing is really hitting me hard. I have to answer this one right. Okay. Okay. If Mahima was a product, what would be the best tagline for her?
Okay, that's an interesting one.
Okay. Oh, I know. She's so energetic. वो कौन सा वाला ad था? वो कौन सा ad था? वो तेंदुलकर वाला.
Arey, boost is the secret of my energy, her energy. Yeah.
Look for that on the board. Woo! We got it.
She is so talented and such a nice human being. So it has to be because she's worth it, like a diamond.
Ooh, that's right. She is like a diamond. She's so worth it. You are right. I think we're getting it. We're getting there. I do feel that in any scenario, in any case, she's always the right choice, baby. So I
Yes.
think that might be the one on the board. Let's look for that.
Maybe.
Maybe. Yay! We're still not getting to the top answer, yaar. Sala, we are going to have to deal with this again. Koi aur ideas?
I'm really at the end of my wits. Let's check it out.
इनको भी नहीं पता, कुछ tie है. Let's see what the hell that means.
Oh, let's see.
Mahima card. There are some people no one can befriend. For everyone else, there is Mahima. Because Mahima jagat friend है. तुम और मैं तो 4 जनों से दोस्ती करते थे. Mahima हर जने से. So I think that's true. That is so true. And then the second one.
Oh, neighbors, envy, owners, pride. ये तो रितेश ही बता सकता है.
रितेश ओनर है इसका यार. मुझे लगता है ये तो उसी से
Neighbors ही बता सकते हैं.
That's so I think अपन को पार्टी में neighbors को बुलाना चाहिए था.
I know.
All right, but you know what that means, Pooja. Are you ready for your second shot?
Totally.
All right, bottoms up.
For Mahima.
How could we not have known she's a friend of friend and she's owner's pride? We deserve this punishment. ये वाला आपकी बताना ही है पूजा, okay? क्योंकि मेरा सही में आधे घंटे में मिल गया. Ready? All right. What is one thing that Mahima would kill for? There are a lot of things I think she would kill for. She has a killer mentality, I feel. But let's think about it. I think, yes, I think she likes her, like I was saying, like her girl gang a lot, and full time आजकल अपन सिर्फ बच्चे, बीवी, मतलब बच्चे पति में लगे रहते हैं. I think she'd kill for a vacation with her friends, I believe. We are her friends as well.
I would kill for a vacation any day, of course, and she's a friend too.
That is true. Yay! We got that on the board. All right, Pooja. Soch.
The foodie that she is, I think she would probably kill for a plate of golgappas.
That is so true. She even shared the one that she made.
I
We got it. We're getting there, man. All right. I think we haven't even thought about that aspect. Yeah, she's a true artist. I am 100% sure that she's going to kill for getting her own exhibition and basically replacing Mona Lisa and getting her own damn picture there, like her own painting.
So true. Absolutely. Yeah,
all right.
Bilkul sahi baat.
We got it. But you know what? I'm quite upset that none of this is like the top answer because I really cannot afford one more drink. And I am so sure that these are the right answers. देख यही चाहेगी यार वो मोनालिसा था मेरी लगा गोलगप्पे खिला और गर्ल गैंग के साथ जा घूमने यही है जी यही है
इससे और ज्यादा क्या हो सकता है
देखना पड़ेगा यार, पर इसलिए अपन को पीना भी पड़ेगा. Okay, but let's see. First, we have to validate if that's true or not. Selfies with Sallu.
Oh
Oh my
God, how could we miss this?
God,
ये
Sallu.
कैसे यार? She had a scrapbook of Salman Khan pictures and articles from newspapers and magazines, whatnot. You even
I
sold
started
a
with
fake Salman Khan autograph to her and made her do all the homework for like 2 weeks, I believe.
I know. Aryan, I remember being a Salman's fan, fellow Salman's fan, and then I kind of cheated on her and moved on.
Yeah.
And he's never forgiven me for that. But sorry, baby. But this is so right. So I think let's see what that means. Yeah. Okay.
चल बेटा सेल्फी ले ले रे.
अब तो किसको
ले ले रे.
महिमा तेरी
ओहो, I don't know, something missing, कुछ गड़बड़ है. अब ठीक है.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. ले लो.
सेल्फी का सपना भी रितेश ने उड़ा लिया. देख भाई, इसमें हमारी कोई गलती नहीं है. हमने तो सोचा था तुझे मी टाइम दे सलमान के साथ, लेकिन रितेश तो मतलब he came in and swooped in. उसका हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते. What you call it? This Sallu part, and so we deserve one more shot. So in your name, Noah बोल रही हूँ. In your name, Mahima. There you go. Bottoms up. Oh my God. I think we are in a very good state now.
I hope Mahima is in a similar state to watch this.
That is so true. अगर तूने महिमा इसको देखते हुए पिया नहीं है तो हमारा ये सब करना बेकार है. कोई फायदा नहीं.
महिमा के लिए ये रूल होने चाहिए थे, सही और गलत उसको तो लेने ही है 4 क्वेश्चन के 4 शॉट्स.
क्योंकि उसकी सजा है कि उसने हमको बिफ्रेंड किया. ठीक है, चलो ये अब लास्ट क्वेश्चन है महिमा, 4th. ये वाला तो हम सॉल्व करके ही मानेंगे.
सीरियसली.
वन दोस्ती का सॉन्ग डेडिकेटेड टू महिमा. सो बेसिकली इसमें तो हम गलत हो ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि दोस्त हमारी है, डेडिकेट हमने करना है. ये क्विज कौन होता है बताने वाला हमको? तू क्या कहती है?
सही बात है. और हम सारे डेडिकेट कर दें, मतलब व्हाई नॉट ऑल 4 सॉन्ग्स.
दैट इज सो ट्रू. तो चल यार बोल, कौन से गाने हम महिमा को दे सकते हैं?
तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ है.
मैंने तो ये दोस्ती कर ली, पर तू सही कह रही है. तेरे आई थिंक महिमा ये तेरा फेवरेट था याराना से, अगर मुझे याद है तो. सही. एंड ये दोस्ती तो होगा ही क्योंकि तूने शोले 100 टाइम्स देखी है. तो ये दोस्ती हम नहीं भूलेंगे शायद. एंड एक और है यारो दोस्ती, बड़ी ये चीज है, अच्छी चीज होती है. बट टॉप आंसर एक्चुअली इसके अंदर वो है, हम करंट स्टेट पे जाके करना चाहते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस क्विज पूजा एंड आई आर लिटिल इन अ डिफरेंट स्टेट. हमने तेरे चक्कर में इतनी पी ली है, तो आई थिंक ये गाना अभी के लिए बनता है. क्या कहती है पूजा?
Oh sure. Should I bring it on?
Bring it on. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen and bring it on. Daru Desi.
Okay.
So there you go. And I'm just going to take this off. So basically, तेरे लिए गाना dedicated है महिमा, for your 44th birthday.
So
just
here
have
we
a blast.
go.
चढ़ी मुझे आई तेरी हंसी जैसे दारू देसी, खट्टी मीठी बातें है नशे सी जैसे दारू देसी.
लड़खड़ाने लगी, मुस्कुराने लगी, बेवजह हर जगह आने जा
चढ़ी मुझे यारी तेरी ऐसी जैसे दारू देसी खट्टी मीठी बातें हैं नशे ऐसी जैसे दारू देसी
Awesome.
Happy birthday.
birthday, Mahima.
Hope you
Love
have
you.
a great one.
Hope you enjoy and hope by the end of this video you are as drunk as we are. So we are all ready to party. Maybe तेरे 45th के साथ मनाएंगे.
Absolutely. Have a good one.